I think predominantly the overarching approach is one of partnership and honesty. So we have been absolutely open book with Kent from the get-go. We've been very honest about any difficulties we have. We've been honest about our budgets, our costs and our pricing. And I think that has instilled a good level of partnership between ourselves and Kent, and sort of set the right kind of framework for working together right from the get-go. Yeah. It's all about partnership and innovation. So it's all about what does the future look like and how can we help them deliver services to the future. And we all recognise that what the network looks like today and the services that we deliver today will not be the same at the end of the contracts, and they are absolutely looking to us to create that roadmap so they understand what the future looks like.
I operate out of KCC. We're a partnership, so although I sit within KCC, we're actually funded entirely by our partners, and that in itself is a challenge. We have 30 different public and private sector partners. We have a managed service from Capita, so that covers mail relay, firewall management, telephony, and if without KPSN and without Capita providing services, every one of our partners would have to provide all those services for themselves at a higher cost. The core upgrade that we've been planning recently, that we've worked closely with Cisco, one of the manufacturers that Capita have a good relationship with, and they've introduced us to a new range of hardware that is particularly well suited to to having a regional network, and that's saved us a considerable amount of money in the hundreds of thousands to give us what is effectively a new cutting-edge technology. So that's worked really well for us.
I work as the KPSN Senior Finance Officer, so that involves all aspects of running KPSN on a daily basis, so processing their invoices, raising purchase orders, all the way up to the more strategic elements such as building KPSN's budget each year, developing their medium-term financial plan. I feel the added value that we get, not just from the fact that it's a good value contract economically, would be, I think, Capita's commitment to engaging with us as much as they can. In terms of who benefits the most from the service that we get from Capita, I would say probably the end users, so the residents of Kent. They are allowing all the borough and district councils in Kent, Kent County Council, Kent Fire, Health, to deliver a more cost-efficient service and therefore make more of the money that they get from central government to deliver better services to the residents of Kent.
In operational terms, the benefit has been that we've got a common platform that all the partners sign up to. They know what is required of the contract and they can actually manage that and go forward.
Capita provided added value because they have a diverse supplier base that they can bring to the table. They run workshops with the partnerships on different technologies that we want them to bring to the table.
They're always really helpful to us. The staff that we actually work with on a day-to-day basis are always really good guys to work with, so I would describe them as just another bunch of colleagues that I work with. I think one of the sort of additional benefits from Capita is the fact they seem to know someone for everything.
Extending the contract with Capita was an easy decision.
As a rule of thumb, they have delivered on time and on budget on the majority of the projects.
3 words to sum up Capita, I guess would be challenging on occasions, fulfilling on occasions, it's a partnership.
My overall experience has been a positive one, I'd say. Yeah, very, very positive.
Approachable, on the whole reliable, and their wish to deliver. So it's, reliable delivery and approachable.
Yes, I trust them, yeah.